जय हिंद में हूं राजेश और आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज एक्सप्रेस 7। केरला पब्लिक स्कूल मांगो ने 11 अक्टूबर 2023 को अपनी वार्षिक स्कूल प्रदर्शनी द मैजिकल मेवरिक का आयोजन स्कूल प्रांगण में किया। प्रदर्शनी का उद्घाटन डॉक्टर मीता तकदार, पूर्व वरिष्ठ वैज्ञानिक, राष्ट्रीय धातुकर्म प्रयोगशाला जमशेदपुर ने किया। केरला पब्लिक स्कूल की अकादमिक निदेशक श्रीमती लक्ष्मी शरत ने फूलों का गुलदस्ता देकर मुख्य अतिथि का औपचारिक स्वागत किया। प्राचार्य सुश्री रूपा घोष ने मुख्य अतिथि का परिचय दर्शकों से कराया।
And she has been awarded with a number of awards. She is a recipient of CSIR Technology Award for 3 years, constantly in the business development and technology marketing.
कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत स्कूल के गायक मंडली द्वारा प्रस्तुत जोशीले गीतों से हुई, जिसके बाद भारत के राज्यों का रंगारंग और जीवंत नृत्य प्रस्तुत किया गया। कार्यक्रम में मुख्य आकर्षण वार्षिक प्रदर्शनी 2023 रचनात्मकता और शिल्प कौशल की एक उत्सव थी, जिसने छात्रों की कड़ी मेहनत, नवाचार और कलात्मक प्रतिभा को प्रदर्शित किया।
सुप्रभात, मैं मैगी हूँ, मैं स्वादिष्ट हूँ, लेकिन मैं सेहत के लिए हानिकारक हूँ। मुझे बच्चे बड़े सब खाना पसंद करते हैं। मैं पूरी दुनिया में फेमस हूँ। धन्यवाद। सुप्रभात, कोल्ड ड्रिंक हमारे सेहत के लिए हानिकारक होते हैं। इसे पीने से हम बीमार पड़ सकते हैं और कमजोर हो सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। मैं कक्षा 1 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं कोका कोला हूँ। मैं स्वास्थ्यकर पेय हूँ। मैं आपका दांतों में सड़न पैदा कर सकता हूँ। मैं आपका वजन बढ़ा सकता हूँ। मैं एक प्रकार का नशा हूँ। धन्यवाद। सुप्रभात, मैं कुरकुरे हूँ। मुझे बच्चे बहुत पसंद करते हैं। मैं बहुत चटपटी हूँ। मैं सेहत के लिए हानिकारक हूँ। मैं दुनिया में बहुत पॉपुलर हूँ। धन्यवाद। मेरा विषय है जंक फूड। वर्तमान समय में जंक फूड का प्रचलन बढ़ता जा रहा है। यह हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए हानिकारक है। हम सबको स्वस्थ रहने के लिए बर्गर या जंक फूड का सेवन नहीं करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Working model of our circulatory system, human circulatory system. You can see from heart, the blood goes to different parts of our body, and how it circulates in our body, it is showing from this.
Here we have made a working model of respiratory system. This shows how we breathe in and breathe out. These are the different parts of our chest. This explains that when we breathe in air, our chest expands, and when we breathe out, our chest contracts. This is the process of breathing in the lungs.
Shirley Samant of Charity AC, and here are my team. So we have prepared for our biology exhibit on the topic dialysis. So with hemodialysis, a machine removes the blood from your body, cleans it and return it back to your body. So this is the whole process of it. This is the renal vein from where the clean blood will go to the body, and this is the renal artery from where the dirty blood will come and it will come to the clean vein.
Two parts, the upper part cytone, which is known as cell body, and the lower part is known as axon. The upper part cytone means cell body, consists of two parts. This one is dendrites and this one is nucleus. Nucleus is known as brain of the cell, and this dendrites takes all the instruction and feelings. Then this passes from the axon.
We are from 4A. We are going to demonstrate oxygen is necessary for burning. I have taken a glass, a candle and a lead to store this experiment. I will light the candle. The candle starts burning. I will cover the candle with the lead. It will burn for a few seconds and then stop. It is still burning. It has stopped. It happens because oxygen is necessary for burning. In a glass, oxygen was present, so it was burning. Oxygen is over, it has stopped burning.
Water purification is a transition of dirty, harmful water into clean, safe water. Water purification generally means freeing water from any kind of impurity such as contaminants or microorganisms. Now, I am going to explain how it's working. First, you need a plastic glass and some sandstone and cotton. Fill the glass with the layers of sandstone and cotton. Pour dirty water into the top and watch as clean water comes at the bottom. This model helps us to understand how filter clean water for us to drink safely. It is fully made up of natural things. Thank you.
This is the bread bath. It has this entrance. This is the Harappan necklace made of shells, beads, etc. And these are the farms of Harappan civilization. These are the clay arts. A dancing girl statue. This is Harappan people. The priest, the king was the chief priest of Harappan civilization. There's the vase made of terracotta. Arpanas. 6.
This is Lok Sabha. He's the speaker. Om Birla is the speaker of Lok Sabha, and it consists of 800 seats because of the combination of Raj Sabha and Lok Sabha both. Thank you, sir.
We are going to explain the LCM and HCF of 45 and 60. So first we have to find the prime factors of 45. The prime factors of 45 are 3, 3 and 5. And the prime factor of 60 are 2, 2, 3 and 5. And now we have to find the common factor of 45 and 60. So the common factor of 45 and 60 are 3 and 5. And when we multiply 3 and 5, we will get 15 as our HCF.
This is a geometrical city made with different shapes. This is a bridge in circular shape. These are buildings made in cuboid shape. This is a swimming pool made in rectangular shape. These are roads made in rectangular shape. This is a house. The upper area of the house is triangle shape and the lower area of the house is cuboid shape. This is a pond. In oval shape. This is a park. In this, the swing is in cone shape. Thank you. Sir, this is circular graph that some person nitrogen, some person carbon dioxide this way, some person mathematics, some person science, some person history. Sir, this is line graph. It is help you, sir. I am Adiba Parveen of Standard 5B. Today I am present here. Types of graph. This is bar graph. Bar graph help in report card to report a circle. How students perform in different subjects. And this is pictograph. A pictograph are used in express large information in a simple manner. Like USA children like Oreo biscuits, and Indian children like Parle-G biscuit. That is called pictograph. This is line graph. A line graph decreases and increases.
Of Sachi Stupa,
And it is present in 200 rupees Indian currency.
it is located in Madhya Pradesh. It was built by Emperor Ashoka in 3rd century BC.
This is Constitution of India.
It contains the preamble, fundamental rights, fundamental beliefs, and all the articles.
And this is secularism.
It means that religion should not be involved in the organization of society or education.
Good morning, sir. This is the model of Ans and his wedding. These are the characters, bride and groom, and food, and the church where Christian get married. Thank you. Good morning. Welcome to the journey of part of speech. There are 8 types of part of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection.
And mirror stones. It is also a wall hanging. And this is flower paper rose. And this is a pot drawing. Madhubani art it is called. And Worli art. It is a Worli art. And this is thermocol Ganpati. And this is tray for flower vase. Right. And this is a card decoration. This is all the card decoration. This is a Worli art. And this is a flower vase, and this is also a flower vase.
Of Shaista Naz of 9C. This is telling about the nature. And this is also acrylic on canvas. This is also from T. Swati from 9C. This is of Ramayan. This is from 6D Rida. And this is telling about freedom, canvas painting, and this is also from Rida, and this is about nature and animals. This is also a canvas on water. This is from Save Water.
चंद्रयान 3 है, वो विक्रम लैंडर, ये रोवर है। वो लैंडर का काम था रोवर को पहुंचा देना चांद पे, और उसके बाद जो रोवर है वो पूरा चांद पे घूमेगा, जो चीज़ है वहाँ पे वो सर्च करेगा कि क्या क्या चीज़ है।
इस वर्ष कार्यक्रम विविध प्रकार की प्रदर्शनियों के साथ एक शानदार शो के रूप में था। सीनियर और जूनियर स्कूल के छात्रों द्वारा अंग्रेजी, हिंदी, विज्ञान, गणित, सामाजिक अध्ययन, इतिहास, नागरिक शास्त्र, भूगोल में कई परियोजनाएं और प्रदर्शनियां प्रदर्शित की गयी। प्रदर्शनी में 250 से अधिक मॉडल प्रदर्शित किए गए। मॉडलों और प्रदर्शनियों का मूल्यांकन KPSNML के शिक्षकों द्वारा किया गया। 10वीं के छात्रों ने शेक्सपियर के जूलियस सीजर के दृश्यों का मंचन किया। शो का विशेष आकर्षण प्री प्राइमरी शिक्षकों द्वारा प्रदर्शित शिक्षण सहायक सामग्री थी। नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों द्वारा सामूहिक पाठ, गीत एवं अभिनय प्रस्तुत किया गया। प्रदर्शनी ने उन युवा व्यक्तियों के लिए एक मंच के रूप में कार्य किया जिन्होंने अपनी मौलिकता, संसाधनशीलता और योग्यता का प्रदर्शन किया। इस दिन के आयोजन में बड़ी संख्या में अभिभावक और छात्र साक्षी बने। माता पिता मॉडलों के प्रदर्शन और प्रदर्शनी के लिए अपने बच्चों द्वारा की गई कड़ी मेहनत और रुचि से खुश थे।
Today we celebrated the annual exhibition 2023 at KPS Mango, and we had a lot of stalls regarding all the exhibitions which have been put up from the Department of English, Hindi, History, Geography, then from the Department of Science, that is Physics, Chemistry, Biology. So we can see a variety of exhibits which have been put up by our children today, and the chief guest for our annual
न्यूज एक्सप्रेस 7, चलना है सच्चाई के साथ।